So that's dividing with two broken bits, but that won't stop it, no problem. Perfect technique there. So once again, he's had the advantage of watching Toby Martin's fantastic on that back career. This is a difficult part.
So can you trials and you've not had seen this spectacle before, you'll notice this bike sounds slightly different. It's a four-stroke machine. And
They've got to pull the front wheel up. He's got it there. What's it like on time? He's just about okay. Turn him out! It's still impressive to think you're riding a trials bike up there. Most trials bikes in the audience wouldn't even look at that. And these boys just make mincemeat of it. He knows it's going to be tail time, so once again he's been quite fast on the early part. He's up there.
look down these sections about them, because you really give that a passion.
So this is the tricky part. See, it's on the angle. He's actually going for a different line. I think that one does the bike to the right, to the left. He needs to get this. This is the part of the section.
So I want to look here, oh, you here as well, so come on, let's get down here. Yes, get down. That was very gentle. Still got a lump of the bag, but he's got it. And how is he for time?
He's got it. He's true. Very important like this. He needs a good ride here to get through the pack. He's got it.
He needs it, and I'm pretty confident that everybody around here wants to get in the final. He's
Got 30 seconds on. He's used half his time. This is the tricky bit. And he's got it nicely there. Get the front wheel on the back in. He's good there.
right,
Come on, Paul. Let's get back here. It's easier. We can do what we never need to do before. He's got it.
he's got it. Now he's got to sort the bike out. Get both wheels up on the top of the box, which he has.
So it's only one on time. This is a great ride. It's good. Now, you'll see most of it is on the back wheel, and this is so difficult. He's got it, such confidence there, to actually come past with the front wheel and just let the front wheel go around and keep the balance. Once again, until any rubber is laid on this, it's freshly painted, so it's very slippery. So second gear is going to try and what we call splat this, hit it with the back wheel first, onto the sump, he's there. Oh, got the gears, yeah.
Oh, you might have spoke too soon there, Crosser. He's kept his balance. It doesn't count if he touches sump in this trial. It is feet down for touching marks, not sump, as it is in the next trials.
This is a difficult part. It's either a massive side up, no, it's going the steady way. Once again, look at the balance. His front wheel is perfectly on the edge of that oil drum. He's got to hit the back wheel bang in the middle. If he gets it wrong, it's a 5 straight away. This is difficult. Ooh, safe down. He's got it, he's there. Because this start is so easy for the back wheel to spin, you've almost got to ride past with the front wheel, like that, and have the confidence to turn it on the back wheel. Once again, we can all see the balance of these guys is just second to none. Absolutely perfect. Is there? Oh, that's confidence. That is confidence. To go straight over without touching the surface. Who is there? So is he going to go behind his line? Is that once again? Wow.
Oh, well done! Louis, got to steady down there just to hold himself.
It's often the problem with these sections when you put your foot down. A lot of the time, there's nowhere to put your foot.
Yeah.
You've got to be perfect on the corner. He's got it. He's got it.
Got another. And he's out.
So Adam, he needs this on maximum points. No problem with the first one.
How did he do that? It's so easy. It's annoying.
So we've seen Jack Price go up here before. Such lift, no problem at all. He knows. You can see there, 35 seconds. So what he's doing is, once again, he's just putting some rubber down. This is a big one. Can he be the first rider?
Empty bottle of wine.
One thing you can't do is avoid any mistakes here. Well, he looks to be riding well tonight. Very confident.
No time wasted there, straight in. He knows he's got to get over this.
God, did he rev that bike then? Absolutely on the limit. So once again, he's left himself 30 seconds. This is where it matters. This is where he's got to get the lift. If he gets enough lift, the back wheel will drive to the top. It just seems to move the bike easier than anybody else. It can almost floating through mid-air. You can see the back tyre there, right on the edges, almost hanging over the edge. You'll actually get some bite. Oh, that bike went out well then.
He floats like he's got helium in his tanks. Are you allowed? And he doesn't use half the rest of everyone else uses. But he gets it.
So we've seen something we don't often see, and that's Tony Barr with his feet down. He's keeping it. Is it going to be on time? So just proving how difficult these sections are. Look at that! Wow! These last two riders. Can he do it? You can see there's no tyre marks any further on in this section. This is one huge step.
So, as Martin said before, getting in and out with the first bit, not an issue. This is, do we want it up here? I'm fairly sure we do. And we're most likely to see it, so come on!
This is unbelievable. He actually pulled that almost up high, dropped it, and it's flatted straight to the top. So he's still on time. And we're going to see it for the first time ever. The first rider to get out of this section. Oh! Oh, is it trouble? Is it trouble? No, right. Antique looking pit bull.
Well, if you learn anything,
We've just wasted no time. So much confidence there with the back wheel. But we know the tricky bit is in the middle of the section. Now is it going to go on the back wheel? No. Wow.
it's a fantastic display. Precision driving from the master.
Can he get it? There's no move for the header here. The back wheel has to be perfectly on the edge. 1 inch each side will survive. He's got it, he's got it. That's right. Impossible before. Every section is so difficult. The level that Sheffield are the best riders in the world. It goes from every year.
Oh yeah, so this is right.
Just bring the bike back, so the back wheel's touching there. Up second gear. Has he got the confidence straight over on the back wheel? He's there.
Oh, no, no, Martin.
He's just got to make sure he's got to pay that back wheel grips. Because it's a big crash figure. Oh, just like that.
Can't believe how many points the play. He's up to down again as well.
So there you can see, look how perfect it's got to be, the tyre has to be bang in the middle. This is all technique now. So it's nicely balanced. Got to get the back wheel to grip. Oh!
That wasn't as confident a ride as he usually does. Doesn't seem as confident as usual way out.
Straight up the first step. Different way to change. You can see he's going to try and angle it. Oh, that's confident, yeah. So this is a side up. Can he hold his balance when he jumps to the side? He can do, that is fantastic.
So James needing that extra gap. Talent for it this time. So halfway through the time. So
There is some time. What a ride this will be if he gets on here.
right, come on, let's get behind him now. Come on, we need him up here. This will be an awful time. Behind him to get his bike up here.
It's 10 seconds.
Two riders under
Just watch how he's doing it. He knows it's possible. Look at the confidence. That could have gone so bad. Oh, that's
Slightly off the river. Oh my word. Well, that's a good picture. Whoever's got it.
So it's in the back.
Right, come on, folks. That was a great night for man. Come on, hand your head.
He's got it! What a night! Once again, so much confidence just to keep the bike on the back wheel. It's the tricky part. And watch the tail almost bend over on itself when it go down. He's got it.
How easily you make that low?
The person there just hit the front wheel first, different technique.
But even getting the grip to the front wheel, the whole way the bike and the ride is real. Right?
I would say he has to get up here.
He knows
He
it.
cannot follow.
Here we go. Come on, everyone out there. Let's get it out.
Impressive even on the first bit. They've got to keep the front wheel high. Once again, get as much grip as he can do. And this is a big lift.
Make the reps come out to take it out of his without a doubt. Beautiful.
No! That was close. You can see the new technique coming by actually pump the front wheel to get the suspension to go all the way to the bottom. That was just just when you've done all that. Another massive step. He's up there, no problem at all. He's out.
These ladders that are around outside are also marked. Oh! Yeah, they're marked also for the boundary
attention to the region. Just
Just